Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today we are paying and requesting for money on Cash App. Now the first thing I'm going to do is the pay. So after clicking on the pay, you can see up here you fill in the form. I want to pay $70.25. So I put in the information of the person I want to pay. Let's say Mary Allen, and then for what? For groceries. So I might send it as cash or gift card or what. So I decide. I say I want to send it as cash. Then the next thing, I check for her number here. These are among those that are suggested from my contacts or people I've been transferring to before, so or paying. So I choose, let's say she's the first person right here, and that is Mary Allen. So I click on Mary Allen, and then sometimes as cash. Don't forget for groceries, and then I click on send up here at the top right corner. Now the other thing is this: I actually have 70.25. So if I after clicking send and this part, it's going to show me the options. How am I going to pay? Do I want to pay through? As you can see here, they say, how would you like to fund this payment? Now, I can't choose my cash balance because you can see I only have $30. So there are two ways you can do it. You can pay through the bank. I'm using Capital One Bank. So I can click on this to pay through the bank. The money will be withdrawn from my bank, or I can send it from the bank to my Cash App balance. I can also decide to do one more thing. If I don't want to do it this way, I can decide to just request for money from a friend or someone that could help me pay. Now, how do I do that? So you go back, then from here you can see the option for requests there. So you click on requests, and then for example, I'm requesting from my brother. I want to request the whole amount. So I'll put in his name, let's say Daniel T. After putting in his name, what am I requesting for groceries? This is portion of it. Then I tap on send. And so once he sends it, it will enter into my balance, and then I can now complete my payment.